Just look at these fellas. It's, you know, 12 o'clock at night. I got 7 raccoons out here, and it's snowing like a bugger because we're in the middle of that storm. You get lost. Go eat your. Don't bite my toes. Don't you fellas find it cold in your hands walking in that old snow? Huh? Don't you find it cold? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's one in the steps, so that's 7. There's 2 pounds of hot dogs, a whole loaf of bread, and kibbles and bits, and anything else I could throw out there. See, there's 2 there, and 5 here. No, 6 here. That makes 8. There's 8 raccoons here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Well, for God's sake.